So you want to study in the UK for a master's but don't know where to start? Well, you're at the right place. Hey guys, my name is Saket and in today's video I'll cover everything you need to know to study masters in the UK. Intakes, education system, programs, universities, documentation, application, visas, post-study work and more. So stick until the end of this video. But before we start, to apply to UK universities, SOP or Statement of Purpose is a very crucial document you will need. I'm dropping the link to download 50 plus free SOPs that will help you draft yours, and all you have to do is go to the pinned comment or description to download. So check it out and let's dive right in. Let us start with the education system and intakes. Masters in the UK including MBAs are usually 1 year, but some MBAs or research masters may last up to 16 months to 2 years. An industrial placement option is also available for masters, and in that case a regular 1-year degree will be 2 years, which includes 1 year of study and 1 year of work. The UK has 3 major intakes: September, January and May. September is the best choice as all universities offer all programs. January options are limited and options in May are negligible. Also, one important thing to note is if you're targeting top universities like Oxford, Cambridge, Imperial, LSE, January isn't usually available and September will be your best bet. Now let's talk about universities and colleges. So there are over 150 universities in the UK, out of which most are public university and few are private. Russell Group universities are the top 24 universities in the UK and are ideal for those who want to study in a top-ranking institution. Some examples include Imperial College London, Oxford, Cambridge, UCL, LSE, King's College London, Sheffield, Manchester and Warwick. Private universities in the UK include University of Law, University of Buckingham, Regent's University London and BPP University, to name a few. Moving to program options. British universities are known for their ample program options. You can choose from engineering, sciences, IT, business, health sciences, medicine, law, arts and humanities and social sciences. The UK is also top choice to pursue degrees in music, fashion, arts management, film and TV and journalism. You will also find very uncommon degrees in the UK such as football management, contemporary circus, ethical hacking, hairdressing, ceramics, Viking studies and surf sciences. Now that we have our basics set, let's talk about applications and documentation. For masters, only direct applications are accepted. There will be no application fee for most universities, but some may charge £50 to £150. Documentation required will be your education certificates starting from 10th until bachelor's, IELTS, PT or TOEFL, statement of purpose, passport, CVs and 2 letters of recommendation. IELTS waivers are also possible too on case-to-case basis. If you have work experience, then WorkX certificates will also be required. Some top universities may ask for GMAT or GRE scores for MBA degrees. For masters, you can apply for conditional offer letters without final mark sheets or IELTS scores. So now let's discuss deadlines. For PG students, admissions start in September, a year before the intake start date. Some courses such as the MBA will have 4 to 8 rounds of deadlines with final deadlines in Feb or March. Top universities will accept applications until February and many will accept applications until May or June. For Jan and May intakes, apply by November and March. Cool, now over to tuition fee, living costs and scholarships. So the fee will vary as per the course, location and university. Basic rules: lab-based courses will be expensive, top universities will be expensive and MBAs will be expensive. Masters will be 13 to 40,000 pounds for the full 1-year course, which will be 13 to 40 lakhs. For living, expect to set aside 10 to 15,000 pounds for a year. Talking about scholarships, there are plenty, ranging from 2,000 pounds to 100% tuition fee waivers plus living costs. But if you want to apply for scholarships, apply early as the chances of getting one are higher, and some scholarships will also close as early as November. Now let's quickly understand the visa process. For a UK student visa, these are the documents you will require: your passport, cash letter, which is a 14-digit number issued by your university once you accept the offer and pay a deposit. All academic documents, English tests such as IELTS, TB test and chest X-ray report. This is done by a British High Commission certified clinic for roughly around 3,000 rupees. IHS or immigration health surcharge. This covers your medical expenses for your entire visa duration in the UK and it will cost £776 a year. Apart from this, you will need bank statements in which you should have funds held in your account for 28 days. The funds will be your living costs for the first year of study plus the remaining tuition fee for first year after you pay the deposit. For London-based universities, you should have £13,347 plus the remaining tuition fee, and for outside London, it will be £10,224 plus the remaining tuition fee. The application fee for visa processing is £524 and it takes around 3 weeks to process. Now let's discuss post-study work visas. So here's the good news. After you graduate, the UK's graduate route visa lets you stay and work in the UK for up to 2 years. However, there are plans to reduce it to 18 months, but the announcement is not official yet. I have covered most points in this video which will allow you to plan for your journey for your masters in the UK. But if you still have questions, please drop them in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer. Also, don't forget to download 50+ free SOPs from the pinned comment or description. I will see you next time.